Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar finds further momentum to the upside and pushes for the second consecutive day after delivering a punchy labour market surprise, with unemployment dropping to 4.3% and the jobs surging by 42.2k, including a heavyweight 55.3 jump in full-time roles, according to the ABS. The data keeps the RBA in the restrictive for longer camp, backing RBA deputy, warning that policy may still not be tight enough. Still, across the Pacific, the US dollar holds near 99.5 as the shutdown ending optimism builds and hawkish Fed voices trim December's cut odds to around 60%. The House passed the funding bill by 222 votes to 209. The longest, that is, US government shutdown, with President Trump set to sign it off. The White House also confirmed that the October jobs and inflation data will likely not be released due to the shutdown. Technically, we are bullish, given the fact some divergence here pushed the market higher, looks towards 66 cents and reassessed from there. The euro also finding momentum as the market now climbs further into the 6 consecutive days and still with the technical somewhat bullish and therefore could see the rise on towards 116.15.35 and a break there to 117 and any pullback likely to be shallow. I am still cautious of the fact that we could see a bull trap very soon, given the fact that the triangle here is closing in somewhat and I do expect to see a break to the downside. This MACD is also very concerning, and therefore let's see if we do get the break and therefore look back towards the region of 152.90, which was recently fouled on 2 challenges. Sterling, well, the market's a little bit weaker as all eyes now look to the Bank of England on whether or not a December cut will emerge, especially after Meg Green warned that wage sentiment remained too high and inflation risks persist. Nevertheless, all eyes will be on this support level around 131.20, and if we see a bounce, could look back towards 132 to 133. Another bull cheer came into the market after reaching 4,200 and now looking on to maybe these highs around 4,300 to 4,400, even though risk is getting somewhat lighter as the US shutdown resolution is looking. Still, this rounded bottom could see a blow off top, so keep an eye on that. There's many people talking around 4,500 as a target. And looking at oil, a very heavy sell-off. The Marubozu candle pressuring the support level at 58.40. The MACD is still a little bit concerning, but I'm not going to give up hope as of yet to the bull case. Let's see if we do get a bounce and then reclaim these losses and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.